I think I know how to solve it.
Just let me do it. You don't know what you're doing.
Ignoring teammates can turn cooperation into frustration.
I think we need to move this piece first.
Tell me your idea. Let's try it together. Good teamwork means listening.
Can we play something different this time? No, we're playing my game. I choose.
Gaming together means making room for other people's choices too.
What do you want to play? You can choose this time. How about the adventure game? Sure. Let's play it. Your game is saved here. I'll use a new slot so we don't overwrite it. Thanks. I worked really hard on that game.
Wait, that was my saved game.
Someone else's saved progress should never be changed without permission.
Game's finished. I'll put everything back before I leave.
Great. Taking care of your equipment keeps it in good condition. I'm done. I'll deal with this later. Your gaming equipment needs to be treated with care. Can I buy this item? I'll wait for your answer before purchasing it. Thanks for asking first. Let's check the price together. Did you just make a purchase?
It was just one item.
Let's pause for a second. Your connection dropped. Thanks for waiting. I'm back now.
Fair play means giving everyone a real chance to enjoy the game.
That's a glitch. You're not playing fairly. It helps me win.
Winning through an unfair advantage takes the fun out of competition.
I've been playing for a while. Time for a short break. Good idea. Move around and rest your eyes. You've been playing for hours. Take a break.
Not now. Just one more game. This message looks suspicious. I'm not going to click the link.
Good choice. Report it. And stay safe.
Awesome! I'm clicking it now!
Free rewards from strangers can come with risks. Think before you click.
I'll mute my mic for a moment so everyone can have some privacy. Thanks for being considerate. Okay, I am back. Let's win this match. Could you please mute your microphone? They can hear everything! It's funny.
Other people's private conversations should never become public.
Great game. You earned that win.
Thanks. That last move was really close.
Good sportsmanship matters more than winning every game.
Good game! You only won because you got lucky.
Losing doesn't justify disrespecting the person who won.
I'll use my headset so I don't disturb anyone.
Thank you. That's very considerate.
Good gaming manners include respecting the people sharing your space.
Could you please lower the volume? I'm studying.
I'm playing. You'll have to deal with it.
Shared spaces require consideration.
Game saved. I'll shut everything down properly before I go.
Nice. That's a good habit.
Taking a few extra seconds to shut down.
I'm done. I'll turn it off later. You should shut it down properly before leaving. Leaving electronics running unnecessarily is a careless gaming habit.
Your game is saved here. I'll use a new slot so we don't overwrite it. Thanks. I worked really hard on that game.
Wait, that was my saved game.
Someone else's saved progress should never be changed without permission.
Your turn now. Let's take turns so we can both have fun.
Thanks. I'll try my best. Can I have a turn now?
No, I'm playing. Wait until I say so.
Gaming is more fun when everyone gets a fair chance.
A good player knows how to stay respectful. That was a close game. You played really well. Thanks. Let's play another round.
That was totally unfair. You only won because the game cheated.
You lost. Just try again. That's okay. Let's try a different strategy next round.
Thanks. I'll be more careful this time. You're terrible at this game! You ruined the whole round! There's no need to talk to me like that.
Helping a new player learn is better than making fun of their mistakes.
Press this button to jump, then move forward. You can do it.
Oh, I understand now. Let me try. I don't know which button to press.
Seriously? You don't even know how to play!
Everyone starts somewhere.
Okay, I'll finish this round, save the game, and come to dinner.
Knowing when to stop makes gaming a healthy part of the day.
Dinner is ready. Please turn the game off. Not now. I'm starting another round.
When gaming takes priority over every responsibility,
I never share my password. I'll ask my parent about this.
good choice. Keep your account information private.
Sure, I'll send it now.